Jenova AI is a platform that allows you to conduct research and create communications using specific language models. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I've actually used this academic research assistant and I've said explain quantum computing to me like I'm 16 years old. So this has gone and searched the internet and actually come back with some results for us. You can see here at the bottom, this looks like it may be the, this is the research context. So research profile, we can see the exact fields as well, stage and style. This is quite useful. I think this would be a sort of useful research context to be seeing with deep research functions in the future. In any case, quantum computing, I mean, for anyone who doesn't know, is basically a way to, or it allows us to brute force A/B testing very quickly of like multiple different things, you know, kind of like passwords. In any case, I'm not an expert on quantum computing, but let's see if this can give us some interesting information. So to understand quantum computing, you have to look at how the device you're using right now works. So it's either a 1 or a 0, and then it breaks it down into 3 big concepts. We've got the qubit, which is superpositioning, because a qubit can represent 1 or a 0 or complex state of both. It can basically hold a lot more information than a regular bit, and this is also what allows us to essentially brute force A/B testing using quantum computing. We've got the concept of entanglement, where 2 qubits are perfectly linked no matter how far apart they are. So when you change one state, the other sort of state changes as well, regardless how far it's apart. And then the maze analogy, so a classical computer acts like a mouse. It runs down one path, hits one wall, and turns around and tries another. But a quantum computer acts like a mist. It enters the maze and floats down every path at the same time. So it finds the exit almost instantly because it doesn't need to try them individually. Cool.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So yeah, I mean, this is quite a useful platform. They also have different kind of agents you can use. So if I go back to, say I start a new chat, if I go back here, I'll be able to see, you know, there are a few other different language models we can use, or technically GPTs. We've got one for personal finance. We've got one for an interview coach. So yeah, definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you.
If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.